Hi everyone, this is Grommy, Teacher Grommy's channel. Today we are going to talk about drawing birds, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on a simplified way of drawing bird, from small birds, bigger bird, and big bird, ostrich. And if you are a beginner and you wanted to learn the art of drawing bird in a simplified way, then this video is for you. And if you are that person who loves drawing, but you have that kind of mentality that you cannot draw, erase that in your mind, because drawing is not just talent, it is also skill. It has methods, it can be developed. You learn the skills now and you will be talented tomorrow, just that's it. So
Okay, before we finally get started, let me introduce to you two important lines that we will be using all throughout the process: the thin line and the bold line. The thin line is the illustration guide, but we will be calling it the drawing guide. And then the bold line is the object line. It materializes the drawing. So let's get started. Now you can use any kind of pencil in your drawing guide. And before we start drawing it, we need to draw an egg. Not oval, not perfect oval, just an egg. The egg, because it has characteristics: the small end and the big end, the neck area and the tail area. To draw the wings, you need to draw a circle, a triangle with lines meeting at the end point. Now you have the wings. See as that. And then this is a small bird, so in drawing a small bird, you need to draw another circle at the upper left. Notice the distance between the two is too close. That will be the head. You connect them and you have the neck. Now to draw the head, you need to divide the bird's head into four. The lower left will be the beak area. It's where you will draw the beak, and the upper left is the eye area. It's there you will draw the eye. Now you have the body, you have your bird. Let us try to find out what else other small bird can we do. A circle, a triangle with lines meeting at the point, connecting the circle and the egg, the big area. Let us draw the eye. Okay, can you figure out what bird is this? Not yet. Okay, let us continue. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let us draw the bold line. And let's see if we can figure it out. The beak and the neck, the body, legs. 1, 2, 3. Simple as that. Okay, the wings. Do you know now what bird is this? Not yet? Okay. Maybe you will recognize it if we will color it. Let's color it. Let's see how it looks like when it... Oh, see that? You see now, woodpecker. Okay, let us animate it and bring it to life. Oh yeah, see that? From that simple drawing to this kind of drawing. You can do that. Okay, let us now draw bigger birds this time. Notice the distance between the head and the body is farther than that of small birds. Okay, same procedure with the wings: a circle, a triangle with lines meeting at the end point there, and then the beak area, the eye area. Let's see what bigger bird can we draw. By mere drawing the tail, I think you know now what bird is this. Okay, see that? Okay, I want you to notice the drawing of this bigger bird's leg. The angle is wider than that of the small birds. The finger 1, 2, 3. It's easy. Does not require any expertise. It's not that difficult. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have now your rooster. Okay, let us draw the object line. And let us bring this figure into the actual rooster drawing. Oh, see that? Fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The leg, the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the fingers. And now the wing, the circle, the triangle. Yes, that's it. Okay, now let us see what else other bigger birds can we do. Tail, beak, the eye, legs. I think you can figure it out now. Okay, by the way, let us still draw the bold line, but this time we will use pencil in drawing the bold line. Now let us see how it looks like when there is color. It's a pigeon. Ow. Now for the finale, the ostrich, the big bird ostrich. Same thing. The beak area, the eye area, the question mark neck, the wings. This time we will draw the wings and the tail in a different way because it's an ostrich. Okay, the legs similar, so let us draw the bold line or the object line, the neck, and then the wings, then the tail, then legs. See that? It's not that difficult. It's not required too much expertise. Okay, you have now your ostrich. Now let us draw some background to create depth. Stones, little stones. See that? This is the use of drawing guide. It can easily be erased so that the subject is ready for coloring. But by the way, I will give you an example of using the drawing guide for background. See that? You already have your mountain. You need some trees to create an atmosphere because it's ostrich. Okay, trees, you cannot understand it yet. Anyway, it's just a guide. It is the illustrator can understand it. Now, it's true with it. It is true with the guide. Now let us color it. Okay, notice how I color it. Does not require too much expertise in coloring it. Just keep on doing your strokes. By the way, I am using oil pastel in this drawing. What I want you to observe is this. It does not require too much expertise. Look, you draw it, you use the oil pastel, soften it with your cotton buds. If not yet happy, stroke it again and then soften it again. Same as you're with the tail. You do it with the tail like that. Okay, let us zoom it out and see how it looks like. See that? You gave life to an ostrich. Okay, let us satisfy ourselves since this is a finale drawing. Okay, let us now complete the background and see how it looks like. Okay, this is the beauty of using an oil pastel. You can just do the stroke the way you wanted it, and then you soften it with your finger or cotton or tissue paper or whatever. Now look how I do it with the trees. Just do it that way, and then I use cotton buds to soften it, to smoothen it, and then I use dark colors under the leaves of the trees to create depth, of course. And after that, after putting all those dark colors, we need to put the finale, the black one for the trees. See that? That is how I do it. Okay, you know, notice that when I do the background here, look how I do the coloring. I just do some strokes like stippling method, and then if you're not yet happy, you soften it with your cotton buds, and then if not yet, then draw it again, something like that. Look how, what will I do to this stone. I put white and then black, and then I soften it with the cotton buds. Not yet happy, then put another black again until you get it, and then soften it again with cotton buds, something like that. See, you have your rocks. Okay, let us do it to the other rocks. Put black, white, and then soften it. Look at that. Did you see that? From a black and white to this colorful. Amazing. You can do that.
So that's it. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. And if you find this video helpful, please find time liking it, clicking that subscribe button down there, and also with the notification bell so that you'll get notified for future videos. And my fellow teachers out there, if you find it helpful, please find time sharing it with your friends, your students, and your kids at home so that they have fun learning activities while staying at home this time of pandemic. So bye bye, thank you so much, till next video.